With Rubin Hurricane Carter coming off of a loss to Luis Rodriguez, he would face Fabio Bettini in 1965 in February the 22nd to be exact, and he would knock out Fabio Bettini in 10 rounds. In the 10th and final round, Rubin Hurricane Carter would go on to fight Harry Scott. Harry Scott, he would win a TKO and then lose a rematch, but it was a robbery. This would take place in Paris, France, and Rubin Hurricane Carter would go on a tour to Europe to fight Fabio Bettini and Harry Scott. Then he would come back to Patterson. Fabio Bettini would weigh in at 160, and Rubin Carter would weigh in somewhere around his normal weight, 157. The biggest name Fabio Bettini fought was Sugar Ray Robinson. But in this matchup between Rubin Carter and Fabio Bettini was dropped 5 times until being knocked out by Rubin Carter. And Rubin Carter was a knockout artist.